Hi there friends, welcome back. Well, today for my third video in my fall decorating series, we'll be decorating my summer entryway for fall. I have a few different ideas that I want to try, so let's get busy finding that perfect look to transform this before to an inviting fall ready after. And if you're new here, my name's Luann, and I am so glad that you stopped by. Okay, as soon as you walk in my front door, there is a coat closet. And if you go to the right, you can see there's the living room. Then this is my entryway. And then you keep on going over to the right more is my dining room. And back there's the kitchen. Right now, we're going to work on this area here. Just to tell you a little bit about the stuff that's here. This is a dresser, an antique dresser that I bought at an estate sale. It was only $100 and it's in perfect condition. This shelf or tray here was gifted to me by my mother-in-law, and I really haven't put a whole lot of effort into decorating it. It was one of those things where I do want to have it out, I do want to display it, but I have no clue exactly where I want to put it or what I want to put on it. So this is the result of that thought process. It ended up right here at my front door with very little decorations on it. But I think that if you just throw a little bit of greenery on something, a little sweet sign, it's good enough. Now here in the middle, this is just those wooden fake books from Hobby Lobby. Begin each day with a grateful heart. And you'll notice a theme throughout my house. I wasn't even aware of it, but I love little birds, and you'll find birds and chickens and all kinds of wildlife throughout my house. Now this lamp is a lamp that I got at an estate sale as well. I do a lot of estate sale shopping and thrifting. And then the picture in the back was also a gift from my in-laws. This is a Windberg and it's called Neptune's Lace. I like to keep it here at the front door in the spring and the summertime, but I do have some fall and Christmas pictures that I like to swap out when the seasons change. And that's it for this area. Not a whole lot to say. I just have this little galvanized pail down there with some greenery in it. But I am ready to get this ready for fall. Okay, this picture is from Kirkland's. You can see it was a regular $29.99 and I got it for $7.47. That's an unbelievable deal, but I've had it for several years. Let me get it hung. You may notice that the little tiered tray has changed, but I didn't post that process because I decided not to use it. But it will be in a future video, so be sure to stay tuned. This is a Billy Jacobs picture. It's called Harvest Moon, and I love it so much. Now, the thing is, I did have some eucalyptus that I was going to put here in a vase. Afraid that if I put this tiered tray in the middle, which is what I was going to do, it's going to block the picture. So our little tiered tray may have to go somewhere else. Okay, I do have these two pumpkins. I love how those look with the picture. They kind of mimic what's going on in that wagon there. What to do? Let me move the tiered tray and see if the eucalyptus will look better there. Okay, this is the first option. I have this crock. I like the color of it. It kind of ties in with the brick and the frame on the picture. But maybe it ties in a little too much. I only stuck 2 eucalyptus in there. I actually have 6 to work with, but I'm just wanted to stick a few in there to get an idea on which vessel we want to use. Now, I also feel that this one is a little close to the same size of these pumpkins if I decide to leave those here. So, maybe tie a ribbon around it? Let me try that. Okay, I'm not going to cut it until we're sure we're going to use it. But that did pull it out, and the ribbon does match our pumpkins. So, I think the colors flow together pretty good. You can see the ribbon matches the pumpkins. The vase matches the brick and the picture frame. Let me try a different option. Okay, here is the other option. I have this old antique amber Clorox bottle. It says Clorox across the top. I love it. I love the color of it. I want to use it somewhere in my house. I actually completely forgot about having this. But what do you think if we were to use it here? I mean, it does say Clorox. The neck of it is a little smaller. But let's see how it goes. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like it really took away something. I like the way it pops against the brick, but I feel like the crock that I had there before with the ribbon really brought all of the colors together better. Now, I do have one more option that we can try. Let me grab it. I have this green vase from Hobby Lobby. I got it last year. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. And there is with the green. I still think I like the first option. Even if we were to tie some ribbon around the green vase, I don't know. Now I'm really torn. I do like the contrast, but then again, there's no green in anything else here, which also makes it good. But I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the first option. You know me already. I am fine and dandy with change. So please let me know in the comments which of the 3 options you liked best. You know, I may only need 2 or 3 in here. I like that it's kind of sparse looking. It looks more natural, kind of twiggy. I will add one more. Now, this is how it came in. This is from Amazon. I just like to pull it down, kind of shape them like that, so that they're not perfectly straight. Kind of crazy looking, actually. And then I'm folding up the bottom, giving it one more little bend. Yeah, I think with this being in the entryway, I don't want it to be too big and crazy. But it is giving us some separation from the brick in the background. I think that'll do it. Okay, so that's with 3 of the eucalyptus branches, because I think it's full enough and I don't want people to feel like they're being attacked as soon as they walk in the door. So this is everything. Let me turn that light out behind me. There you go. I like it. Okay, here it is from a distance. This is what it's going to look like whenever you come in the front door. I like it. I'm loving the pumpkins with the pumpkins in the picture. I think that's my favorite part of the whole thing. Okay, so this is the final look. The only thing that I would change is if y'all tell me in the comments that you prefer a different vessel. We have the crock, which is my favorite. I love how it blends in with the colors on the brick and in the frame. And it goes with the light cream and tan colors that I'm working through the rest of the house. I like how the ribbon is the exact color of these pumpkins, how the pumpkins play off of the pumpkins in the picture. I just really love the whole thing. I like that it's simple and not cluttered, but you let me know what you think. So when you come in my front door, to your right, this is my entry table. Then of course there's my living room that you've all seen, and straight ahead is a hallway. And that picture right there is one of the first things that you see. I'm going to change that up with a fall picture that I have, and then we'll be finished with the entryway. Now I know standing here it looks like it's a little off center, but that is actually in the center of the hall wall. So once you enter into the doorway, you'll see the length of the wall. But for now, let me go ahead and swap that out and see how it looks. Here's the picture, and it does light up. I got this at Kirkland's. Actually, my mother-in-law got this for me at Kirkland's. I need to add some batteries, but all of the candles and the garland and the candle up here and over there, they all light up. It's really cute. And I think it's perfect for the hallway because my hallway light is usually out, and this will look really pretty hanging there all lit up. So let's see. Okay, I put it on an existing nail, but it's a little bit lower than the rest of the pictures I have in the hallway, so I may just raise that up an inch or two, but I don't think it looks too bad hanging there. Let me show it to you from some different angles. Okay, so this is from my living room as you enter the hallway, and then of course this is down the hall. So you can see my other pictures down there. I'm going to raise this one up a little bit. But now that we're in the hall, I hope that you understand why it's hung where it is. When I back up to the entryway, you know, the door isn't perfectly centered on that wall. But I think it's a cute little fall touch, and I really didn't have anywhere else to hang it, so we'll try it out there for this season. I just want to give all of you a huge thank you and a big virtual hug. I have been away from the channel for several months, so coming back, I really expected a slow start back into things. But you have shown so much love and support in my past few videos that I just have to say thank you so much. I have to have the sweetest and kindest heart-filled community out there. And I'm so glad that you're here. I look forward to hearing from you down below in the comments. Your opinions really matter to me. I want to take this journey with you. And I know, even though I'm getting a late start as a YouTuber on decorating, so I wasn't able to give you a lot of pre-fall inspiration, but this way, with still 2 months till Thanksgiving, we can do our decorating together in real time. So any advice, tips, opinions, I want to hear it all from you. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, if you are just passing by, I sure hope that you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I would love to hear from you in future videos as well. Thanks again, friends, for stopping by. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.